World Food Program, ia interesse serviço hamoto com o governo Timor-Leste, atu hadiak no reduz problema malnutrição e reilaran. Representante UFP Timor-Leste, Jacqueline de Groot hatu assunto ne, foi enhalau encontro o primeiro-ministro Kairala Strana Guzmão e a Palácio Governo dele, terça-feira ne. Jacqueline de Groot informa, durante o encontro halo introdução do chefe governo, liu assunto com o interesse comum, hanessa em área segurança aihan, no nutrição niang. Além de ne, colia mos com o UFP ni apoio ba agricultura sira, atu produz barak liutang, produto ia reilaran, atu nune ia programa merenda escolar, bele fo aihan nebe saudável, no nutritivo ba estudante sira.
My name is Jacqueline de Groot. I'm the new country representative of the World Food Programme. Today was my first meeting with the Prime Minister, so I came here to introduce myself and to talk about our common interests of improving the food security and nutrition situation in Timor-Leste. So we spoke about the importance of helping the farmers in Timor to produce more food and nutritious food. We also spoke about the merenda escolar and the importance for healthy meals for the children in the schools. So we are looking into the options to help the local farmers connect their produce to the schools, so that when the farmer produces the food, they can sell it to the school, and for benefiting both the farmer as well as the school. So the farmer knows what they can sell, and the school has a nutritious food to prepare the meal for the children. So as you know, in Timor-Leste there are some problems around the nutrition. We have high stunting rates, for example, so 47% of children are stunted, which means that they're not tall enough for their age. So this is a big problem for the country that impacts the human capital, impacts the health of the young children. So this is an area that we're trying to support with, together with the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Social Solidarity and inclusion. And so we're trying to come up with ways to help improve the nutritional status of the children so that they can grow up to be strong and healthy.
Portanto, malnutrição hanessa problema bot ida, tambah malnutrição raiz badak, ia Timor-Leste ia porcento hat nulu racing hitu, tambah ne, UFP sei serviço hamoto com o governo, liu Ministério Educação, Ministério Saúde, inclui Ministério Solidariedade Social no Inclusão, o insamak bela hadiak malnutrição ia larang. No durante o encontro, primeiro-ministro aprecia o interesse UFP nebe hakarak serviço hamoto com o governo no povo Timor-Leste. Reportagem Fifanya de Carvalho, Televisão Timor-Post.
Janela informação ba emohoto. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu. Kita haluha. Haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.